Welcome back to the InScentive collection. I'm your host Brandon, and today we are getting into another fragrance from Christopher Lee. All right, this one is going to be CINNNILLA. I think I'm saying that correctly. CINNNILLA. All right, cool. I got the sample kit. Plenty of fragrances came in there at a nice price for what you're getting. Look at the color here, man. You know me. I'm a fan of the color. Good color. This is a very generous amount of a fragrance, and from what I'm reading, I think it's like 50% concentration or something like that. It's really, really high. Great atomizer, decent cap, but really what's important in the, I don't even think you usually get caps with decants, right? No. So yeah, I mean, this is a bonus. But you would need it because this is a real atomizer and it is strong, right? So we're gonna get into the blurb of the fragrance for CINNNILLA. Introducing CINNNILLA by Christopher Lee, a fragrance, Christopher Lee fragrance, a scent that marries the fiery kick of spice and soothing embrace of sweetness. Pronounced sin, as in sinning, CINNNILLA. It's a bold unisex fragrance designed for those who live unapologetically. Warm yet refined, CINNNILLA dances between vibrant energy and creamy comfort, leaving a trail that's impossible to ignore. Perfect for day or night. This is more than just a fragrance. It's a vibe, a statement, a memory waiting to unfold. Okay, how could you resist a smell with an introduction like that? Getting into the top notes, you got cinnamon, cardamom, orange blossom, and bergamot. Let's get this into the spirit. Now these are very generous atomizers, so we want to be careful here. As you can see, there you go, right there, brand new. Boom. Very nice atomizer. Very nice, good distribution, and strong. Like when it hits the skin, you can feel like. Okay, this is definitely. I didn't think it would go this way, but okay. It evolved just like a tiny bit, I think, or I'm ingesting it more properly. Interesting. Very sweet. Okay, so in the top notes, you got cinnamon, cardamom, orange blossom, bergamot. In the middle notes, you got bourbon, vanilla, elmi. In the base, you got praline, musk, ambroxan, gaiac wood, tonka. I'm guessing tonka bean. It just says tonka, so maybe something else. And candied almond. Man, this is a very sweet, you know, he picked a perfect name for this. CINNNILLA. It smells like candy. It smells like a very, very sweet, candied fragrance. There's something familiar in it, but I just can't place it. Like something sweet that I've smelled before that I just can't place it. This is nice. I would say this definitely leans more feminine. I reviewed Ripple Effect earlier. I think that's more unisex. This is definitely more feminine. But, I mean, it's not a feminine smell. A dude could get away with this. This would definitely have people lean in. It's not bad. It's not bad. I like it. I like it. I think that this would be better on a woman. I think this is okay on a man. I think it's good on a woman, right? This is one of those smells that you would just like nuzzle your nose into somebody if they smelled like this. It's very sweet, very candied, but it also has like a slight freshness to it. There's something, there's like a freshness in here. Maybe it's the ambroxan, but yeah, I like this. It's not bad. I think it's about 70 bucks, 70, 80 bucks. Let's confirm here in a second. Yep, 79 bucks, 80 bucks. Not bad, not bad. I will tell you this. These fragrances last a long time. They last a long time. So it's definitely not a fleeting experience. That's why I'm kind of generous. I don't know if you can tell this. I sprayed this. This was a Ripple Effect. Probably about 15 minutes ago. Look at the oil that's on my hand. I don't have as much of it on this side. Maybe it might not be, CINNNILLA might not be as dense, but some of these fragrances, man, they pack a punch. So anyway, those are my initial thoughts of CINNNILLA. not bad. I like it. I like it. I think, again, good on a guy. No, okay on a guy, good on a woman. Right? So definitely let me know. Have you tried any of Christopher Lee's fragrances? What do you think of his YouTube channel? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.